In this video, let's talk about how to fix the Discord account disabled. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now there can be two cases to this. If you have disabled your account on your own, in this situation, in order to re-enable it, you just need to add in your credentials and log in back to your account. And as soon as you do that, your account would be reactivated. But however, if your account was disabled from the Discord side, the first thing that you can do is head over to your email and check for the exact reason why this action was taken. So in this situation, what you can do is search for Discord appeal form, and you'll be able to see the first link being displayed. You can simply tap on submit a request, and first of all, you'll need to sign into your Discord account again. So tap on the sign in button on the top, and you'll be taken to a form that you can fill in. In the form, make sure that you exactly add in the information that your account was wrongfully disabled, and make sure that the information is precise. So once you submit this form and submit this appeal, if the Discord team does agree with your appeal, your account should be recovered within 48 hours. So this is the exact process that you can follow. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.